Okay guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace these kind of arms. Those are top arms for suspension, and so you remove the wheel and you remove this bolt here. You can remove this one with the air gun, and then you can just, there's nuts on the inside, so this is like just holding right here. Same to this one. This is a new one that we installed already, so you can use a wrench, 18mm wrench, and just continue. I'm tightening it right now. I can just continue to tighten this 18mm wrench, and same right here. So simply you can just hold this with your hand like that and tie the other side. Okay, so and to remove it, you can just knock on here because you will be replacing it anyway. You can knock on the old one, and to remove those bolts over there, you can just turn this. Well, when it's loose, you can just turn this and pull it out from the back. You don't need to remove the shock absorber, so you should be able to remove them and install them back. That's what I've done here, and this is the passenger side. Now we will do the same thing on the driver's side. And the reason we're doing it is because we hear some kind of noise, while driving, and pretty much everything is replaced and we still have this noise. It's like hitting noise and stuff, or knocking noise while driving. And as you can see, this is the old one. This is the dust cover is bad, and pretty much I guess it is bad. So on the driver's side, here's what I did. You simply press these over here and you take this off like that, just put it aside, and then you remove these two bolts here, and this way you can move it, because there's this nut over here. Okay, so we put a piece of wood block here, so we have access to this nut here, and also I removed this panel, the plastic panel. You can just lift it up like that and remove it, and this way you have some access to that bolt, that nut, which is over here. And I'm using the same wrench, 18mm, and I insert it from here, and I'm able to release that nut. Using this kind of wrench from here. This one's released already. So we remove this one as well. You can just knock on this, because you will not be using it anyway. And then once this is released, you can go ahead and pull out those bolts like that. That's how they hold. And then the other one. Just rock this one and pull this bolt out. Okay, I'm putting in the new one.